If you just received your stimulus check, now it's time to put that money to work for you, however and wherever you need it. Here are 4 ways you can quickly manage your money with any of our Machias Savings Bank ATMs. First, you can check your balance. If you're wondering if your stimulus check has been deposited yet, go ahead and click Balance Inquiry to check and see. Second, you can transfer from one account to another. If your check got deposited into one checking account, but you need it in your other checking account, just head to our ATM and you can easily transfer it from one account to another. If you need access to cash, with just 5 clicks on the ATM, you'll have cash in hand. Lastly, if you got a paper check, you can deposit that into your account at our ATM as well. Just make sure to bring your endorsed check to the ATM and you'll be all set. If you have any questions about our ATMs or anything else, just let us know.